What's up, people? Welcome back to another object-oriented programming. Today we are going to learn about autoloading classes and the final keyword. The final keyword can prevent from classes from being overridden by child classes and methods. So in this tutorial, let's create two files which we have. For our first file, we have main.php, second is index.php, and our third will be sum.php. So let's go to our index.php, create your class name, class file. Inside our class, we want a public function. We want to say hello. Inside our function, we want to echo it out and say hello YouTube, right? Go to your main.php and we want to include our class files. So we have include and we have index.php, and then include we got sum.php. This will include our two class files. And then over here, we want to initialize index equals new index. And then sum equals new sum. Yeah. And over here, we want to say index, say hello. And this will print out hello YouTube. We are including our class files, and then when we say index, we are calling our index, what we have here, and we want to say hello. We are calling out our function, which is this in our index.php, and we want to say print out hello YouTube, and it does. So let's say if you have a lot of class files, class names into your directory, and then you gotta put all this includes and stuff, right? But in this tutorial, we are going to learn about autoloading classes. And autoloading classes is we have a nice function called SPL autoload register. This SPL autoload register will do is just puts all your class file into one. I'll show you. Let's delete our include, and then let's write SPL autoload register like that. And then inside our SPL autoload register, write function, open parentheses, and write class name. So we want to get the class name of that. And then open curly brackets, close curly brackets, and inside our SPL autoload register, we want to include our class name, which we are getting it from our function from here, class name. Then we want to concatenate, and then we want to use our extension, which is PHP, whatever is the class name, and then we want to end it via PHP, semicolon. And then let's create a function, which we have public function, say bye, and then we want to print out, let's say goodbye YouTube, right? And then let's go to our main.php. Let's change our index to say bye. Yeah. Let's create sum. So we have created into our sum file. So we say bye. And now reload. Goodbye YouTube. You guys saw that? Let's go to index.php. Let's come to our public and just write our final keyword, which we have here. Now let's reload. We are getting an error. for you guys will probably be like a fatal error, because I'm running with a server that's why saying isn't working. This is the final class. Let's take out final from our method. Let's put it in front of our class. Let's reload it. It's not working. This is, however, the final class, the final keyword. It can be helpful if you are working with groups of developers. You can kindly show that you don't want other methods to inherit from, pretty much. So that's how final keyword works in object-oriented programming. So I hope you guys understand auto-loading classes and the final keyword. If you guys have any questions or problems, leave a comment down below and I will answer you guys shortly. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.